Moving now to a case that we're covering out of California. Court TV legal correspondent Kelly Craft is covering the Hollywood obsession murder trial. And Kelly, what do you got?
Well, hey there, Michael. Today in Los Angeles, attorneys in this case, they had a call-in with the presiding judge. They wanted to get an update on the health of co-defense counsel who tested positive for COVID earlier this week. I spoke with the clerk of the court today who told me that as of right now, this case is expected to resume on Monday. But since defense counsel has not fully recovered at this time, there will be another call tomorrow to finalize plans for next week. Now, while we were in Los Angeles covering this murder case against defendant Gareth Pursehouse, the ex-boyfriend of family and sex therapist Dr. Amie Harwick, we headed to the scene of the crime, Hollywood Hills. Amie Harwick lived in that area with her roommate. You see him there, Michael Herman, who has already taken the stand in this case. Herman described how he ran out of the house, jumped a fence, and called 911 after he said he heard blood-curdling screams. When officers arrived, they found Harwick below her third-floor balcony, barely breathing. During opening statements, the prosecutor read a text message Pursehouse sent Harwick. Her friends say he was obsessed with her, and even defense counsel told jurors that seeing her sent him into a deep spiral.
Okay, so I heard her screaming, and I heard her being...
All right, so I'm going to send out as somebody screaming, okay, since you didn't see anything. You don't know if she's being attacked, you're not sure.
Yes, I know she's being attacked. I heard that thrown to the ground.
A night on the red carpet at the JW Marriott in January of 2020 eventually turned deadly for sex therapist Dr. Amie Harwick. She had a chance encounter with an old flame, Gareth Pursehouse. Prosecutors allege that meeting sent Pursehouse on a downward spiral that led him to Harwick's home 1 month later.
I ran into my scariest ex last night of 10 years. He yelled at me in public and then acted really crazy and told me how obsessed with me he was. I tried to de-escalate him. Things he said were very scary. Took safety measures today, but realistically scared for my safety. My anxiety isn't bad now. Just realistically thinking something could happen to me.
This is the neighborhood where Amie Harwick lived with her roommate, Michael Herman. It's called Hollywood Hills. It's a hillside neighborhood filled with small, winding roads and covered with trees and brush. You had to travel up this road to get to Amie's home, and prosecutors infer this was the perfect place for Gareth Pursehouse to lie in wait for Amie Harwick.
Any words or recall any curse words that he used at Amie during this time?
Something along the lines of, "You ruined my life."
And could you tell me the volume at which he was speaking?
It was pretty loud, and everybody kind of started looking over, and she seemed embarrassed, so she tried to calm him down and kind of take the conversation elsewhere so people weren't staring at her.
It was in this home with the blue-trimmed windows where Gareth Pursehouse broke in. He waited for hours for Amie Harwick to get home. And then, according to prosecutors, a struggle began and eventually ended with Gareth Pursehouse throwing her over the balcony. During opening statements, defense counsel showed a photo of Harwick on the balcony in an effort to demonstrate she was comfortable there and accidentally fell to her death all on her own. But prosecutors say it was murder. When the jurors have the case, they will decide Pursehouse's fate. So the defense is really putting forth this theory that there was this struggle inside Harwick's home and Harwick accidentally fell to her death. Defense counsel has said there is no evidence that Pursehouse threw Harwick from her balcony. If this case does resume on Monday, we will be heading back to Los Angeles to cover the case and bring you the very latest.